Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, more energized, and confident in your body. What if I told you that just a few simple habits could jumpstart your metabolism, burn fat effortlessly, and completely transform your health? But here's the truth. Most people unknowingly sabotage their fat loss goals within the first hour of waking up. And the worst part? They don't even realize it. If you don't fix these morning habits now, you could be stuck in a cycle of weight gain, sluggish energy, and frustration for years to come. In today's video, we're revealing 5 simple but powerful morning habits that will help you melt fat fast and take control of your health once and for all. Stay with me until the end because the 5th habit is a game changer most people overlook. And if you love learning life-changing health tips, don't forget to subscribe to HealthClinic Channel because here we believe that health is wealth and we're on a mission to help you live your best life. Habit number 1, start your day with hydration power. The moment you wake up, your body is in a dehydrated state. And here's the kicker. Dehydration slows down your metabolism and makes fat loss harder than it should be. What to do instead? Drink at least 1 glass of warm water with lemon the first thing in the morning. This does 3 things. Flushes toxins that slow down your metabolism, kickstarts digestion and prepares your body to burn fat efficiently, reduces cravings throughout the day so you don't overeat. If you want to supercharge this habit, add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. It helps with hydration, balances electrolytes, and reduces bloating. Habit number 2. Move your body, but the right way. Here's something shocking. Long, exhausting workouts first thing in the morning can actually increase stress hormones and lead to fat storage instead of fat burning. So, what's the secret? Low-intensity movement in the morning. Try one of these for just 5 to 10 minutes. Walking boosts metabolism and burns stubborn fat. Stretching or yoga wakes up your muscles and improves circulation. Jumping rope or bodyweight exercises activates fat-burning hormones. This simple movement strategy signals your body to burn fat for energy all day long. Habit number 3, eat a protein-packed breakfast. What's the biggest mistake most people make? They either skip breakfast or eat sugary, carb-heavy foods that spike insulin and lead to fat storage. Instead, fuel your body with high-protein, healthy fat foods in the morning. Best breakfast options. Scrambled eggs with avocado. 1. Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. 1. Smoothie with protein powder, spinach, and chia seeds. Protein not only helps you burn more calories, but also keeps you full longer, reducing unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Habit number 4. Get sunlight and reduce morning stress. Did you know that sunlight in the morning helps regulate cortisol, your body's stress hormone? When cortisol is balanced, your body burns fat efficiently. But if it's too high, fat gets stored, especially in the belly area. How to do it? Spend at least 5-10 minutes outside in the morning sunlight. If you can, combine this with a short walk or stretching. And here's a bonus tip. Deep breathing or meditation for just 2 minutes can lower stress hormones, improve focus, and put your body in the perfect fat-burning mode. Habit number 5. Optimize your coffee or tea for fat burning. Millions of people start their day with coffee or tea, but most of them are drinking it the wrong way. If you load your coffee with sugar and creamers, you're spiking insulin, making fat loss harder. Instead, try these metabolism-boosting coffee hacks. Drink it black or add cinnamon, helps regulate blood sugar. Add MCT oil or coconut oil, keeps you full and supports fat burning. Try green tea instead, contains powerful antioxidants that speed up metabolism. Small tweaks like this make a huge difference in how your body burns fat. Now that you know the 5 simple morning habits that melt fat fast, the real question is, will you take action? Imagine where you could be 30 days from now if you started implementing these small but powerful changes. More energy, better digestion, and a leaner, healthier body, all by changing the way you start your morning. Which habit are you going to start tomorrow? Comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Clinic Channel, because here we believe that health is wealth, and we're here to help you live your best life. See you in the next video.